as nice as ninepence. The idiom, as nice as ninepence, is an expression used to describe someone who is very neat, tidy, and well presented. It implies that the person is well-groomed, well-mannered, and has a pleasant appearance. It can also refer to someone who is very polite and behaves in a respectable manner. The origin of this idiom can be traced back to the old British currency system, where a ninepence coin was considered to be a valuable and attractive coin. Therefore, describing someone as nice as ninepence means that they are as valuable and appealing as that coin. Here are a few examples of how this idiom can be used in context. 1. Sarah always dresses impeccably and has perfect manners. She is as nice as ninepence. 2. The new employee is not only talented but also well-groomed and well-spoken. He is as nice as ninepence. 3. Despite coming from a humble background, John always presents himself with elegance and grace. He is as nice as ninepence. In these examples, the idiom is used to highlight the person's good appearance, manners, and overall pleasant demeanor. It conveys a sense of admiration and appreciation for their refined qualities.